The Milwaukee String Trimmer with QUIK-LOK has a great amount of power. It wraps up quick, is able to cut brush, grass. You can just keep going through the job and get everything cut you need.
Well, the Milwaukee String Trimmer with QUIK-LOK tackled the brush just as good as anything I've ever used gas power. I didn't have to hear the noise, it's lighter, it wowed us.
Hit the trigger, it's on, and you're not fumbling around trying to pull start it, choke it.
With the Milwaukee String Trimmer, you just hold the handle down and it'll get rocking and going and you can get to work real fast.
I exactly love the way it responds. I love the quick response you get. I also love the fact that it doesn't sputter. It never slows down.
The battery power was amazing. It would last at least an hour. The M18 goes in every single tool we have.
Really reduces the trips back and forth of the truck. The attachments Milwaukee have offered for this power head are great. We're able to get 4 tools into one. The crews can get out quick, they can use attachments. A lot of jobs you're going to need more than just a string trimmer, so it's great to be able to switch this quickly and get the job done.
I think it's a step forward in our business.
The power of the system's unbelievable. It's definitely commercial grade. We've been very impressed with it.